Hello and welcome today. We're diving into something simple, yet incredibly powerful. Positive affirmations. You've probably heard phrases like, I am confident or I am enough. But do these really work? Or is it just feel-good fluff? Well, science and psychology say, yes, they can work. And today I'll show you how. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that help you overcome negative thoughts. They're meant to challenge and control self-sabotaging or unhelpful thoughts. For example, instead of saying, I can't do this, you say, I am capable and strong. Instead of thinking, I always fail, you say, I learn from every experience. By repeating these affirmations daily, you train your brain to focus on strengths instead of weaknesses. Studies in neuroscience show that our brains are constantly rewiring themselves, a concept called neuroplasticity. When you repeat positive affirmations, you activate parts of your brain associated with reward, self-esteem, and motivation. In fact, MRI studies show increased activity in the brain's self-processing systems when people use affirmations. It's like exercise for your brain. The more you do it, the stronger those positive thought patterns become. Here's how they work. They shift focus from fear and doubt to confidence and action. They reduce stress, helping you stay calm during tough times. They build confidence. The more you hear something, the more you believe it. Think of it this way. If you tell a child every day that they're worthless, they'll believe it. But if you tell them they're smart and strong, they'll carry that with them. The same goes for you. So how can you use affirmations effectively? 1. Be consistent. Say them daily, preferably in the morning. Speak in the present tense, not I will. Be confident, but I am confident. Believe in them. Don't just say the words. Feel them. Here are a few powerful affirmations. To start with, I am enough. I attract success and happiness. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I am growing and becoming my best self. Write them on sticky notes. Put them on your mirror, or record them and listen daily. Many successful people use affirmations. Athletes visualize their wins. Entrepreneurs remind themselves daily of their goals and self-worth. Oprah Winfrey once said, you become what you believe. You are where you are today in your life, based on everything you have believed. She used affirmations to overcome poverty and build her empire. You can do the same. In conclusion, affirmations won't magically fix your problems, but they will change the way you see yourself and your world. They're a tool, a mindset shift, a daily practice of choosing positivity over fear. So today, make a choice. Start your day with purpose and positivity. It all begins with how you speak to yourself. The most powerful voice in your life is yours. Take a moment to say it now. I am worthy. I am strong. I am enough. Thank you for listening. Stay positive and keep affirming the best in yourself. Remember, the way you speak to yourself matters. Choose to be kind and uplifting, and watch as your mindset shifts in a positive direction. Start your day with purpose by setting intentions and reminding yourself of your worth. Believe in your strength and capabilities. You are more than enough just as you are. The power of positive affirmations lies in their ability to rewire our brains, making us believe in the potential that lies within us. So take a moment each day to speak kindly to yourself. These affirmations can serve as a reminder of your value and push you to strive for the best version of yourself. It's easy to get caught up in negative self-talk, but don't underestimate the impact of speaking positively to yourself. By acknowledging your worth, strength, and enoughness, you are setting the stage for a more fulfilling and confident life. So as you go about your day, remember to be mindful of the words you use when speaking to yourself. Choose kindness, choose empowerment, and choose positivity. Your voice is the most powerful one in your life. So make sure it's filled with compassion and encouragement. Keep affirming the best in yourself. You deserve it. And remember, you are worthy. You are strong. You are enough. Believe it and live it. Stay positive and keep affirming the best in yourself.